Yeah, that's how much.
Yeah?
Okay.
I'll get some, yes.
Drink.
Yeah. How much is it?
10.
10. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. You cannot smoke. No, no smoke.
No, I don't smoke, bro.
No smoke. Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. I eat too much. I can't smoke too. Yeah, I'll buy one for them.
Thank you.
You're welcome, guys. Enjoy.
Follow me. Be positive.
Follow him. Alright. Thank you, boss. What's up, guys? We're in the city in Cebu looking for this pie place that I've seen. You can see the big towers in the back. See if we can find it. Oh. Okay, I think that's it. Hi. What's the best seller, ma'am? Of the pies. What's the best seller?
Pork.
Pork?
No more mango.
No more mango?
Yeah. Only pork and ham.
What about ube?
Yes, sir.
Ube, okay. Can I try, I'll do 2 ube and 1 pork. And you say that these aren't no mango?
No, no more.
Okay. What's up, bro?
Hey,
Shut up.
Hey, my shop, my friend. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me.
All right.
Hey.
37.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Alrighty. Follow him, I guess. Let's see if there's more food this way. And then we'll try these pies after that. Yeah, follow him.
Oh, follow me.
him.
Follow.
Lots of food. Lots of food here. Chicken. Wow. Lots of fried food. Wow, looks really good. Some shop back there. Tagpila?
80.
80. What about the manok?
40.
40. Okay. I'm gonna look around a little bit. Thank you, ma'am. Hey.
Follow me, master.
Follow. What's your TikTok or your Insta? What's your Facebook? Okay.
Master.
All right.
No Insta. I'm good. Check that out.
All right. He wants to be followed. Not many places to sit. I see some juice. $80 for a pork chop is very high. It's normally like, I don't know, 35 or 50, depending. Maybe let's get some buko.
Yeah, that's how much.
Yeah? I'll get some, yes.
Drink.
Yeah. How much is it?
10.
10. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. You cannot smoke. No smoke.
No, I don't smoke, bro.
No smoke. Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, Yeah, I eat too much. I can't smoke too. Yeah, I'll buy one for them.
Thank you.
You're welcome, guys. Enjoy.
Follow me. Be positive.
Follow him. Alright. Thank you, boss.
Uyog me. Apa naman tirada ron? Yes. Ano kayo, malarga na ni. Yaan ko.
Super good. Thank you, boss. Thank you, sir. All right. Might run into those guys again. They went back this way. All right. So we took a seat here at this building. We're in a nice little, like, you can see we're in a downtown area. Lots of skyscrapers and stuff. Yeah, one of the problems of buying people things is then everyone who walks by wants one. So like those two guys, I bought them a coconut juice. It's only 10 pesos, so it's okay. But then this lady walked up and she thought I was went by her and her friend, so she got like 5 cups and didn't pay. And I only paid for me and those guys. So she just stole those. She didn't even ask. She just assumed since the American was there, I was buying everyone's juice. So anyway, let's try the pie. It's nice and crispy. The dough is super good. I think it's real ube inside. There's like pieces of potato. It's not a super strong ube flavor. Yeah, that's definitely potato, so it's real ube in here. That's good. I was sad she didn't have the mango, because that's probably the best flavor. See, it's so pretty and purple. The dough is amazing though. It's only, I think, 12 pesos for this. Yeah, it's like crunchy in my mouth. It's so good. It's definitely a 9 out of 10. It's near the Ayala here in Cebu. It's like right across the, diagonally across from the main walking entrance of Ayala. Where am I? I'm near the Sun Life building. So it's near the corner of the Sun Life building. You'll see a row of vendors. That's 50-50. This one maybe meat has a dot on it. Oh, more ube. I'm not sad about it. I actually came down here because there's a art market. Like it's called the Malave Art Community something. Oh yeah. You can see carrots and pork. It's like potatoes, carrots, a little onion. There's very little pork inside, but it's full of vegetables. Oh, it's delicious. I could eat like 10 of these things. So anyway, yeah, the art district. Sorry, got distracted by my delicious treat. So there's an art gallery, it's an art walk. They basically one street kind of behind Ayala. They open up for like vendors. So there's going to be like maybe 20 or 30 vendors there selling random stuff they make, like smash burgers, art, haircuts, coffee, different stuff. You can find them on Facebook, Malave Community something. I don't know. That's the best I give you right now. But that's the main goal why we came over here. It's from 3 to 7 every Saturday. It's about 2:30 right now. So I wanted to get some pies to pregame. Then we'll go over there and try to get some food and some good video. Maybe talk to some people, and then maybe we'll go and try some other food. There's a lot of different foods here. I have a Google map with all the different places. So we'll try those and see how it turns out. See you later, guys. Bye.